Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I'm Dani Flowers and today I'm gonna show you my vanilla cake recipe. It's so delicious, it's super easy to do and you will love it. You can make this recipe to decorate any cake that you want and you are going to love it. So let's start. To begin, we're gonna need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 of a cup of butter, room temperature, 1 cup and 1/3 of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, and 2/3 of a cup of whole milk. To begin, we're gonna combine our dry ingredients, flour, salt, and baking powder. And we combine it with a whisk. In your electric mixer with the paddle attachment, we're going to combine and beat the butter with the sugar for about 5 minutes. And we're going to start mixing. We're going to scrape the sides. We're going to add our vanilla extract. And we're going to start cracking our eggs. And we're going to start mixing on low speed, adding our eggs one at a time. Once your eggs are incorporated, we're going to scrape the sides one more time. It's super important that your butter, eggs, and milk are at room temperature so that there's not a clash of temperatures and everything dies. And mixing at super low speed, we're gonna add our dry ingredients and then the milk. Dry ingredients, milk. Dry ingredients, milk. Beginning with dry ingredients and ending with dry ingredients. Once you've added all your ingredients, we're going to scrape the sides and mix for about 30 seconds. This recipe is perfect for 2 6-inch cakes, okay? So we're going to grease our pans with butter and a little bit of flour. And we divide our batter into 2 different molds. Give it a couple kicks in the table to let out all the air bubbles, and then spread it around with your rubber spatula. Now we're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for 50 minutes, or until we insert a little toothpick in the center and it comes out super clean. Once your cakes are out of the oven, we're gonna let them cool completely, and they're gonna look like this. We're gonna level our cakes using a serrated knife, and we're gonna cut them in 2. So now we're gonna start building our cake. I'm using my vanilla buttercream frosting, and you can find the recipe on my video in the description below. We pass one top to another top, and we end like this. Once your cake is iced, we're gonna decorate it using some delicious sprinkles. I'm gonna use this sprinkles from Candy Fetti. I'm gonna leave the link below, but this is how we're gonna decorate. You guys, this cake is so beautiful. I loved how it came out. These sprinkles are adorable and they're so delicious. But first things first, we're gonna cut this cake. You guys, I loved how this cake turned out. I am in love. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I want to eat it right now. So let's go ahead and try it. Vanilla buttercream frosting and vanilla cake. It's just the best combination. It's insane. This is amazing. It's so freaking good. Amazing. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you loved and enjoyed this vanilla cake. I'm sure if you make it, you're gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notifications so that you know everything that's happening in this new English channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next week. Bye.